Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making Nigerian coconut cake. Yes, coconut cake. So we're going to be making it. There are several coconut cake recipes, but we're going to be making this particular one because it's special to me. So come on, let's make it. So here are all my ingredients. You can see it lined up. I'm going to be adding a little bit of fruits. So I have mixed fruits and sultanas here. So I'm going to put a detailed ingredient and list on the caption of this video, so just go there and watch it. So if you're watching from YouTube, it's going to be in the description box. If you're watching from Facebook, it's going to be in the description box. If you're watching from TikTok, it's also going to be in the description box. So basically what I'm using here is half of my normal recipe. Okay, so I'm using half of my normal recipe. So I'm going to be giving you the normal recipe. You can now decide to split it into two to use whenever you are ready to use. Okay, so I have already told you I have my mixed fruit and my sultanas. So I'm using half cup. I have my sugar, so I'm using custard sugar. I have my butter. I have my coconut, grounded coconut chips. So I'm supposed to have coconut flavor, but since I don't have it, I am making use of what I have at this moment, and that is vanilla flavor. It also goes. I'm also going to be using my coconut flour. So this product I'm using is Tropical Sun. Yeah, so I'm trying out their product. It's Tropical Sun. I have my milk. I have my baking soda and my baking powder. Baking soda and baking powder. Now I have my milk powder, evaporated milk, the powder. The reason is, if you are using, what I have here is ordinary milk, so this is not evaporated milk. So I have the normal milk we use in drinking tea in the UK. So this will not, it's ideal, but it's not going to make my cake sweet the way I want it. So that's why I'm adding this. So if you're using an evaporated milk, you don't need to add this. So I have my flour here. It's been sifted, so you're going to sieve your flour. And sorry for the noise you can hear. I am actually doing my laundry and the washing machine is a little bit noisy. So in making cake, what you have to do is you would have to add all the dry ingredients together and all the wet ingredients together. That's the first step in making cake. So what are my dry ingredients? My dry ingredients are my flour, my milk, my baking powder and my baking soda. My coconut goes in, my coconut powder all goes in. Yeah, all will go into my flour, and I'm going to stir. Well stirred, you can see it. I'll set it aside. I'll go over to the next one. The next one was going to be, I'm going to be adding my sugar. So this part, we are going to be whisking this until it doubles in size and it is very fluffy. So at this point, you can actually use an ordinary whisk. You know, a whisk, can use a whisk. It's going to take time, or you can use this. This is what we use in Nigeria. You can stir until a spatula, a wooden spatula, until it is properly mixed. But I will not be doing all that, so I have something that will save energy, so I'm using this. So we are going to be whisking now, so I'm going to be using my whisk. We're going to start gradually. So I've been whisking for over 10 minutes now. Let's find out if it is ready. So a simple test of finding out if your sugar and your butter is ready is, when you're done scooping down, you take a little and you drop. You take a little, you see how easy it is. It doesn't take time to drop. No, it is ready. And look at the color, you see, it is very fluffy. So we're going to be adding our eggs one at a time, and we are going to stew weeks. So I've added one egg, add the second. So I've added the 3 eggs, and this is my vanilla, just a tablespoon. This to the flour now. So be alternating between the flour and the milk. And we're not going to be whipping, we're going to be mixing. So I'm done mixing the butter, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to be adding the fruit now to it. So my butter is ready and my pan is ready. I've lined it. So I'm going to be pouring my butter. There is it. So I'm going to top it with some